In this video, I'll be using PDQ Deploy to package and deploy Power BI Desktop. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find videos about my Windows Server setup, and there is also a video about my PDQ Deploy setup. And now I will begin this video by downloading Power BI executable installation files, and for that I will use the link that I have here that brings me to Power BI download page. Here I will click on download, then I will select the 64-bit installer and click on download. And then I will go to my downloads folder, and now I will right click on the executable, select copy, and then I will go to my VMware workstation where I have my Windows environment, and here I will be placing the installation file in a network share that is accessible to my users and computers. And for that I will open File Explorer. I will click here and enter my file server name srv02. Here I have the software share. I will go inside of it, and here I will create another folder. I will name it Power BI. I will go inside of it and I will place the executable here. And now I can start creating my package, and for that I will open PDQ Deploy. I will right click on packages, click on a new package. I will name the package Power BI. Then I will click on steps, install. Here I need to provide my installation file, so I will click on the button right here. Once again, I will go to my file server srv02, software share, Power BI folder, and then I will select the executable. And here we need to provide silent switches. And for that, I will go back to my GitHub page. And here I have the silent switches that I will be using. So I will click on this button right here to copy the value, go back to PDQ Deploy, and I will insert the value into this field. And that's it. Now we can save the package, close this window. And now I will be deploying this package to a few of my clients. So I'll select the package here, click on deploy, deploy once. Then I will select my computers by clicking on Choose Targets, Active Directory, Computers. I will select my client 01 and client 02. I will click on this button right here and my targets appeared in this window. Now I will click OK and deploy now. And now we need to wait a bit. And that's it, the deployment is over. We can see that it was successful for both of my clients, but just in case I will check on client 01 that I have here. We can see that we have our Power BI desktop shortcut right here. I will double click on it. And it seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.